Hi everyone, I trade live on real accounts. You can watch my trades live on YouTube and TikTok. And track everything with transparency through TWR bot. What makes us different is stress-free trading. Our semi-auto bot trades with predefined TP and SL. So it controls risk before the trade even starts. No overtrading.
No imouście license.
Just execution and discipline. TWR bot is built for traders who want consistent results. It uses our A++ tunnel-to-tunnel strategy. TWR bot is designed to give traders confidence and control. TWR bot always works with fast entries. Built-in risk control. Real results that you can actually see. Less stress. More control. Better decisions. Every day, you can see the live results of my premium group members. And you can see the P&L, certificates, and real payouts of our group members' funded accounts. These are real traders. With real funded accounts. And get real payouts. This is our performance for October, November, and December. All this shows the power of discipline and consistency. And if you want to join me in daily live trading sessions on Zoom, you can join by paying a fee of $45 per month. This is why traders around the world are changing the way they trade. If you have any questions or want to try TWR bot, please send me a message. Thank you.